Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, since I'm traveling, I'm shooting at a very late time. Let us see what had happened first on Friday, what had happened on Friday. Then we will do today's analysis, right? Friends, as I mentioned, Friday, I was expecting a trending day since the CPR was within range and couple of days the market was on a sideways, right? And exactly it was a trending day. Even though I was expecting more of a bullish trending day, it actually came as a bearish trending day, right? In the opening time itself, I have mentioned that since it was a bearish candle and since it broke previous day's low, I was expecting the price may come somewhere near to 6,400 to 6,385 level, right? This zone which I have mentioned, and I was expecting some kind of retracement can happen or some kind of reversal may happen from this level, but that didn't happen. Again, it came all the way. It was trying to settle down, but it never happened. Again, it gave us a very good bearish signal. See, you can see this elephant candle, right? It broke our important level with an elephant candle, which was a very good selling signal again for us. And all the way it came up to near to our demand and supply zone, which was 6,208 level, right? Around 13 something made a low, right? This was what happened on last Friday. Now, let us see what is today's trend. First, we will do analysis with the NYMEX crude. See, friends, NYMEX crude. This today, I'm going to show you something very important. This is a weekly chart analysis. Friends, in weekly chart, if you see, last so many weeks, market was just a sideways day, right? It was not in any trending day. It was just within this range, right? Around $70.50 to around $82.50, right? It was almost at the same level. And the same thing we can see in our MCX crude also. See, it was in the same within the same range, right? So what I'm trying to say is there was not a big trending movement on a weekly chart, number one. And number two, if you take the long-term view and when you take a Fibonacci, see, you all remember during the 2000 April time, just when the lockdown started, we had a negative settlement in crude, right? So since then, it was actually continuously a bullish trend, right? It was continuously going up, and it went all the way up to almost $129.52, right? And if you see a Fibonacci retracement, you can see exactly now the market is at around 38% retracement, almost near to that level, right? And you can see almost near to this level is the current price. So which is again, there is a high probability it can again take a good support this level, right? But again, one more thing, so this zone is an important zone. That's what I want to say you. Apart from that, what I want to say you is, see, from those level, if you see, it was keep on making new lows, right? So the probability is more for a lower side movement, right? That's what weekly chart showing, but that doesn't mean that it cannot go up and down. It's a market, it's a probability. Anything can happen in the market, right? So I see here, since it is struggling here, sometime if it can break this level and make a new low, maybe again it can even in the worst case it can come to the 50% retracement level, which was $44. The worst case I am talking. Otherwise, it can break this zone, the zone which is marked, and start creating a new high. And we need to see whether this level is breaking or not, right? This is what one thing we need to keep in mind, right? And same thing we will check with MCX crude, because we trade in MCX INR price, so we will see in MCX crude. So this is a weekly chart which I told, and here you can see it is struggling. The price is struggling within the band, right? Around 6,780 to almost 5,900 level, right? So the moment it breaks this level, what we need to see, 5,850 level, if it breaks, we need to be more on the selling side, right? And if you see from top, it is keep on making new low, right? Only thing here, it is struggling. Last so many weeks, it is struggling. It is trying for some side movement. We don't know whether it's upside movement or it's a downside movement, right? That we will wait and see. Now, let us change this to now 1 day chart. right? Then we will see what is one day, a daily chart showing. In a daily chart, if you really see, it has actually created a bearish candle on Friday, right? I was telling, I was not convinced with these kind of small candles, right? There were it's a decision pending candles, right? But the moment Friday when it created a bearish candle, I am not now for a bullish trade. I am waiting for a bearish trade, right? I am maybe looking for a selling trade, right? The trend it's showing slightly in the reverse side. Maybe it can come down again, come down back to our zone, which I mentioned previously, is this $70 or $72 in between this level it can come. And if it breaks this level, again, we need to, expect for a bigger downside movement, right? Otherwise, as I told, it is struggling last so many weeks. It is keep on struggling within the range. Now, let us see MCX code in the daily chart. MCX code, it is again the same pattern which was created. So if you see, it was actually a bearish candle, right? So these candles were, I was not convinced much, but this was giving us a bigger signal that it is, the trend has actually changed. I was telling from here to here, it was keep on in the bullish side, but now the trend has changed. I may be looking more on a selling side, and we will see whether it's getting settled somewhere here or it's breaking this level, right? Now, so the trend, it is like somewhat, it's clear for us, it's a bearish trend. Now, let us do analysis with today's 30-minute chart, right? So first, the trading view has a disadvantage where the software what I'm using is a trading view, and it has not, since today onwards, it's a new contract. It's not updated. So I'll be showing in my trading terminal. So what we need to understand is, one, the selling was there till end of the closing, right? Even though it tried to have a small retracement, again, there was a selling pressure at the closing time, right? That's what one important thing. So overall, the trend is bearish, what we can understand, right? Now, I will show you a chart of my terminal so that it will be easy for me to explain what I am expecting for the day, right? Friends, two important things today is, one, today is a holiday. Today is a US holiday, right? So I am not expecting any bigger moment or any trending day today. So one, today is a Monday. Another one, today is US holiday. And also our CPR range start from 6,288 to 6,343. Right? So almost 50 to 55 point is the gap, which is almost a wide kind of CPR. So that shows, again, it can be a sideways day. It's not a trending day, right? So I may be preferring more on option selling. And since right now the price has opened above CPR and trading away from 20 EMA, and we have a weekly pivot, which is at 6,428 level. And we have pivot resistance number 1, 6,419 level, right? So this level can act as a resistance, or maximum what I am expecting is, this level, right? I'll just show you, I'll just mark, if possible, I'll mark with a line, this level, 6,460, this level, right? Because it was one turning point where the market actually went up from this to this, only very small moment, but it was a good support level, right? Maybe almost this level. And here is the level where our major selling happened on Friday, right? So all this is, so this is one important level. I will keep it as an important level. So somewhere here, it can take a resistance. Again, it can come down. Since it's a sideways day, I don't think so it can go up to in a bigger way. And this level, if we are getting any selling pattern, then I may be looking for a target of the CPR range 1, which is 6,343 or 6,316 level, right? Again, price may take a good support at this level since it's a wide CPR, right? Maybe again, so this is maybe one probability of probability what I am seeing. See, market may go to somewhere here, and it can come down somewhere either here, or worst case here, 6,288. It can take a support and reverse. somewhere again go here, and it can be a sideways day. That's what I am expecting. But since it's a market, we cannot guarantee anything. We need to see the price action. According to price action, we will take a call. And also on the upside, in case if it going up, if it breaking these levels, then I may be looking for almost this level, 6,577 level, because here again we have an important zone, right? This is a zone. This was a supply zone, right? Here it can actually create a selling pressure. That's a maximum level which I'm expecting, right? And in case if it breaking our CPR range, if it's breaking CPR range, I will be looking for a good support at previous day's low. If it breaks, then it can be a very big selling day, right? Because this Friday's selling may then continue. That's what it's indicating, right? So as long as it's above previous day's low, I will be looking for a sideways. But if it's breaking with a good elephant candle or rocket candle, I'll be looking for a bigger selling opportunity, and I'll be looking for a bigger target also, right? So friends, that's all in this today's analysis. So before winding up, I want to give a disclaimer. These are my personal views and never guarantee you any success or profit. So please do make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio. And also this coming Thursday, we have scheduled a price action secret webinar. It started 7:30 p.m. in the evening and end up by 9:30 p.m. And Friday, again, we have a webinar called Super Power Trader, which again starts at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. Right? I want all you to register for both the masterclass, and let us meet at the masterclass. Also, before winding up, one more request. If you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what is your key takeaway, and share this video with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day.